Hello and welcome to another MoTeC webinar. My name is Mike Shield and I'll be conducting a quick start guide to dials in Display Creator. And today it'll be a focus on nonlinear dials as a follow-up to the general dials produced last time. So here's the dial that we had previously, and we're going to edit this dial to make it a non-linear dial. So if we select the dial and choose configure ticks, we had 9 tick marks, so going from 0 up to 8. We're still going to go to 8,000, but we're only going to have 7 ticks. Say OK. You'll see that this sort of throws everything into a little bit of array. What we're going to do is tidy that up. Okay, so first thing we do is select all the tick marks, and we just make sure that their lengths are all consistent, so assigning that to 15 once again. And the next thing we will do is basically select all the fonts. So as previously, select the 0, control click all the numbers. Once you've done that, we'll set the radius to -32. The font will set to Sui Gen and 24 point. Okay, so we've sort of standardized all of those things, and now we'll come to the tick marks. We'll select them all and we'll say 4 minor ticks. Okay, so it's starting to look more like a dial, but what I want is 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically this number here, we can change that text to a 5. We can change that text to a 6. So here these are the numbers that we're wanting to see. Now if we then go to the tick marks, let's say we did have those variances in there, we might want double that in these. So we'll pick the first couple of ticks, so control click. So these 3 tick marks, instead of having 4, we want to have 9. So showing how the gradations will change going between the numbers. Now what we need to do is make sure that all the values are correct. So here this tick mark has a value of 0. This tick mark has a value of what should be 1000. The next tick mark has a value of what should be 3000. This tick mark should be 5000. Now the software automatically in betweens all of these, so all the other values will automatically scale in between these points. So once you've reassign these figures, you'll find that everything works. So automatically you'll see that that sweep came and joined up. So here we go. We've pretty much done what we set out to do, and we've made this dial into a non-linear dial. This concludes today's quick start guide to non-linear dials in Display Creator.